Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Fatih. My topic is what did you last Sunday? Now I want to tell you about last Sunday. First I wake up in my bedroom and I pray together with Mr. Sam and friends. After that, I go to a room and I stand in my room. I feel I don't sleepy. I don't sleepy. I feel I want to go to walking. Yes. I go to Beach Garden with my friend and I reading a book together. After that, I feel hungry. I go to breakfast together. After that, I beg the boarding house. I take a bath and I pray duha. After that, I talking my friend and afternoon I go to the coffee shop and I talking my friend. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.